Welcome to the Geneva WealthTech Forum.
I'm happy to be there and to be part of this initiative to make Geneva a great hub for digitization and also sustainability in digital finance.
I'm very proud of Switzerland, what we have done so far, that we are the epicenter of crypto and blockchain globally.
We are working closely together with the Swiss authorities to create the new regulatory and legal framework for fintech.
Quantum computing and related technologies will fundamentally shape many areas of the financial community.
The key trends I see in wealth management are in identity management, in compliance, cybersecurity, and new wealth platforms.
Geneva WealthTech Forum is really a great opportunity to address wider questions such as how can we make technology inclusive.
With 308 startups in the fintech space, there's great opportunity and synergy creation.
This is not something one company could do on its own, so we really appreciate and salute the initiative to get together and bring best ideas, best practices to promote the Geneva ecosystem and the fintech ecosystem in Switzerland.